Welcome to an inside peek into JungleScout, the leading all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon. We're going to go through all of the screens in JungleScout so you can see all of the features before you decide to buy. JungleScout helps you research, source, and manage your Amazon account. It's a really amazing service. It's a cloud service with nothing to install but an optional browser extension. When you're ready to try it out, click the link in the description below. Smash the like button if you want to make money on Amazon. We'll work our way down the left side of the menu. First up is the Amazon Sales Estimator. When looking for a product to sell or doing other research, JungleScout can estimate the number of sales for a marketplace, product category, and best sellers rank number, also known as BSR. Here we can see in the US a BSR of 5 in the industrial and scientific category is about 113K in monthly sales. This BSR was from a face mask, something pretty common to purchase in 2020. Want advice on a listing, either yours or someone else's? Use the listing grader to see what is good or bad about a listing. You can enter a listing comparable to yours to see how they stack up and what you could potentially do different. Enter an ASIN at the top of the screen and click Search to see the analysis. Looking for a product to sell? Select the market and product tier. If you're a new seller, the general recommendation is to stick with standard, smaller items of 1.5 pounds or less until you're more experienced with selling. Oversized items can get fairly pricey when shipping. The seller type is it sold by Amazon? Is it FBA, which is a seller fulfilled by Amazon product? Or FBM, something that's fulfilled by the merchant. You, the seller, will be shipping it. Select the categories you wish to search, add the filters, the price range of products you want to sell, etc. You can see you can save filters for future use and load them later. Use the product tracker to see how your products or a competitor's products are doing, or to research a product to see if it's something you want to sell. You can group the products, and JungleScout will give you the average price, fees, daily sales, and more for each group. To see the detail for particular items, open each group's tab to see the details for each product that JungleScout is tracking for you. The Opportunity Finder helps you find a niche and determine the competition. For a new seller, try very low to low competition and very low to low on the seasonality setting, especially if you're importing your products. You should be very experienced in ordering imported items before you try a product that is seasonal. Otherwise, you could be stuck with inventory until the next season rolls around. You can load preset filters or create your own by using the Save and Load Filter Set buttons. JungleScout comes with several very useful filters. Very important, there are limits on some of the screens for the number of times you can search per day. JungleScout resets the counters at midnight GMT. Greenwich Mean Time. So if you're in the Eastern time zone during daylight saving time, the counters will reset at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. That's 4 hours before local midnight. So keep that in mind if you're doing searches, and if you want to do it every other day, do searches before 8 p.m. and then do searches after 8 p.m. And this way you'll get more searches in one session. The final screen in the product research menu group is the category trend. JungleScout has analytics that you can review for categories and products. You can see here that they even break it down by day, so you'll have a good idea on what is trending and take advantage of it. Under the Suppliers menu is the Supplier database. You can enter a name, company, supplier, or ASIN to find out where you can buy the product. From what I've found, it looks like they primarily have Chinese companies. If you need a US supplier, check the links in the description below. Once you've found a supplier, add them to the JungleScout Supplier Tracker. Keywords. Everywhere you go on the internet, it's keywords. Web pages, YouTube videos, Instagram, and yes, even Amazon. If you want sales, you've got to get good at keywords. What are people looking for? How do they look for it? If you want to be successful and increase your conversions, meaning a person finding then actually buying your product, be specific. It's better to have a 30% conversion rate for 1,000 people than a 1% conversion rate for 10,000 people. That's 300 versus 100, especially if you're paying for advertising. Like the product and supplier trackers we looked at earlier, JungleScout has keyword lists to help you stay organized with the keywords you want to target. Listing Builder is not included in the basic plan, only in the suite and professional plans. It helps you create a product listing with data-driven, proven keyword strategy. It's very helpful. The rank tracker is also not available with the basic plan, only the suite and professional plans. View keyword rank history for multiple keywords at the same time. Again, available in the suite and professional plans only. Email campaigns are not available in the basic plan, only the suite and professional plans. To really drive sales, you can do email campaigns using JungleScout. In order to use email campaigns, you need to connect JungleScout to your Amazon account. Just click on the orange Connect to Amazon and Get Access button, and you'll be set to go. Promotions is available for suite and professional levels only. You can use JungleScout to manage your promotions from start to finish. In order to use this feature, you need to connect JungleScout to your Amazon account. JungleScout really simplifies managing Amazon account. Want to engage customers and ask for product reviews? Use the review automation feature available for suite and professional levels. Connect JungleScout to Amazon and automate your product review requests. Again, suite and professional levels only. This can be a huge time saver and drive up sales. The more reviews you have, the better off you are. Okay, now that you're selling, JungleScout helps you track profit, breakdown of fees, and see your sales and trends. JungleScout really is a complete solution. You don't have to jump back and forth between websites and other solutions. JungleScout gives you everything in one place. At some point, you just knew some accounting was going to enter into the picture. The P&L statement will show you revenue, COGS, cost of goods sold, and more. This will give you a good picture of how you are doing and if you need to make any changes. This will be very important when you do your taxes. Oh, joy and fun. As you can see on the screen, you need to connect JungleScout to Amazon for it to pull the data necessary for these reports. Just click on the orange button and you'll set up the connection. Okay, so not all information is on Amazon or on the JungleScout websites. You may have expenses that are not visible to either solution, such as shipping costs, import-export fees, etc. Under the Other Transactions option is this page. Set up JungleScout and Amazon connection, and you'll be good to go. Inventory Manager is a suite and professional level feature only. Automating inventory is critical if you're using FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, to optimize your inventory, avoid out of stock, and avoid long-term storage fees. And at some point, you knew we just had to get to alerts somewhere. You want to get alerts set up so you can see if there are any issues, a miss, whatever, and stay informed without having to stare at the screen. With product costs, you can monitor your costs and charges to help you stay profitable. Next up, want to learn more? The Academy option in the menu has lots of videos to show you how to use JungleScout. Most of the videos are less than 4 minutes long, so you can learn only what you need to know when you need to know it. There's an optional extension available for Chrome and Firefox. Just click the extension listing in the menu on the left and the appropriate link for Chrome or Firefox on the screen. You can click on the video that's below the two hyperlinks for more information. Need some help? Click on the market, and JungleScout has a marketplace of freelancers that can help you. It's free to join, and you don't need to do everything yourself. On every screen in the bottom right corner, there's a question mark to access the Help Center, training, product updates, the Getting Started checklist, contacting support, and sharing feedback. I've found their tech support very responsive, and feel free to share your feedback because they use that feedback to determine new features or things to change. To access settings or log out, click the circle in the upper right-hand corner. Click the bell in the upper right corner to access any alerts. Here are the various settings accessed by clicking the circle in the upper right. Feel free to pause the video to peruse the options that are shown. I do want to highlight one of the settings under the Settings option. That is the Alert settings, where you can set up alerts. You can optionally set it up to email you for events that happen while you're not logged into JungleScout. And a word of advice to protect your JungleScout account: set up two-factor authentication. It's very easy. It took less than a minute to set it up with Google Authenticator. Finally, click on the link in the description below to get the best price with the risk-free trial money-back guarantee. Please smash the like, hit the subscribe, click the bell to get notified of future helpful videos. Happy selling!